Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Himanshu and I'm here for the solution which I have given to you. It seems to be a bit lengthy and tricky, but it's not the case. Look, there are 6 conditions and definitely you need to apply nested if. But one thing that need to be remembered, I've told you in the second video that how nested function works. If you are going to put plenty of if based on a condition, then the condition which you have set initially, the function is going to be locked on that. Now there is one condition that the score 28, which is the lowest one, it falls under 2 conditions because it's lowest also, it's fail also. But what we want lowest to come here, not the fail. So definitely the condition of lowest need to be put first. Similarly, in the case of topper also, the 98 is the topper score and we want the topper should come in front of it rather than distinction because it falls in the category of distinction as well. So that need to be put first. So here, whatever condition we have set, you may see that it is absolutely correct. We need to add something to it. Here, till lowest we have written means till now the function is if h2 equal to max then topper, if h2 equal to minimum then lowest. If it's not so, then check if h2 cell value is less than 40. If is it so, then fail. Then again I'm going to check if h2 cell value less than 60. If is it so, then it should come compartment. And if it's not so, then again check if h2 cell value is less than 90. If is it so, then it should come pass, or else distinction should come. Bracket close for lots of if function. Fine, enter, drag it, and we will have the answer. We are having compartment, pass, fail, and lowest, everything, topper as well in this data. So this is how this particular conditions work. Okay, I'm going to give another task to you, and that will be you need to make a sentence and it has to be like this. I'm giving an example to you. Manoj Joshi is passed, has passed. It's not passed away but has passed. Okay, so Manoj Joshi has passed if the result is pass. Manoj Joshi has failed if the result is fail. The sentence construction should be like this. Here you need to pick the name and then has to be in between, and if the result is pass, then ed should come extra, and if the result is fail, the sentence construction is going to be same if the result is pass or fail. However, Manoj Joshi got compartment, and in case of compartment, lowest, and distinction, the sentence construction is going to be different, and Manoj Joshi is topper. In case of topper, the sentence construction is going to be like this. Before you go for it, watch the next video on AND and OR, and after that go for this task, not before that. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.